people on the waterfront in Cayman Islands. Yep, out here on a Sunday and it's my birthday. But just good to be alive. It doesn't matter if the weather is not good, as long as I'm alive. It's my birthday. And this out is, the sea is very calm, extremely calm. Look at the water, how beautiful it is. Yeah, very beautiful. Yeah, it is so beautiful. Water clean and pretty. No boats on the sea, they take up all of them, and restaurants are closed and all of that. So, let's see how it goes. Even though I don't believe that we're going to get in a storm, we're going to get probably a little water. That's what I believe. Stay at the same time, look at the sky. The sky is very cloudy. Yeah. So far. So yes, we are by Cayman Bay. And this is what it's like. Over here is scanty, very scanty. All the restaurants are closed. Normally, restaurants will be open today Sunday, and other people will be out. Yeah, and it's my birthday, and I am hungry. Yeah, but the restaurants are closed. So what to do? You know, this is beautiful Cayman Bay, but everything is closed, and people are preparing. People are preparing from Friday for a storm. So the storm, I guess, not gonna trouble Jamaica, but I think we're just gonna get a bit of rain here in Cayman. So let's see what happens. You know, check out the beauty. Look at the place. The place pretty. Grand Cayman. And Anta is here too. The Anta here, coming from church. Yeah, this is Anta. Yeah. This is it, you know. Wow. Somebody leave 25 cents on it. And I see silver, I believe that I'm rich. Yeah. Look at it. Beautiful. Yeah, you can see in the background. Sky is very dark. Okay. Yeah, there are two little kids down there. Yeah, this is the calm, but we're not gonna get any storm. We're gonna get some rain. We're gonna get rain, not storm. Cayman can't manage any storm. Yeah. So just a little rain. So stay tuned. So yes, peeps. So the sky look now, and the breeze is blowing harder. Yeah, start getting rain already. Oh, this is it. This is it. This is it, peeps. The rain is coming. Yeah, the rain is coming. So I made it home quickly. Yeah. Yeah, the rain is coming. Bye. Yes, the place is empty. Cayman Bay is empty. But if I come.
Rain is coming, and this is what happened.
Yeah. Yeah, this is Sunday. Grimmel Park again. Grimmel Park. Yes, Steve, so the rain has actually started. Yep. See. So, yeah. This is it. Cayman Bay is empty, completely empty. Yeah. Empty. Sure, is here. Woo. So yes, this is it. On my way heading home, and the breeze is blowing already, and we're getting a lot of water. I mean, Cayman can't manage to hold for water up on the road already. stay tuned. I'm going to watch our bar. Yeah, so a lot of water on the road already. Yeah, all you can see the road. Oh. See? Like I need a bigger vehicle. I need a big truck like this one. Alright, so reach home. So get your back and reach home.